of 2026, the whole advertising industry will be totally replaced by AI daw. Sabi ng mga experts yan, and they said that AI will make ads faster, cheaper, smarter than most people.
By 2026, you won't need a marketing team. Zuckerberg doesn't want more marketers. He wants more data flowing directly into the machine. Clean, cheap, and fast.
Meta is looking to remove humans from the process of making ads for Meta in 2026.
By 2026, advertisers may only need a URL. No targeting, no creative, just AI doing everything.
Meaning, business owners won't need to hire ad strategists anymore, and many will lose their job. Yo, what's up? My name is Real Talk Darbs. Ayon sa report, by 2026, Meta's AI will be able to create, target, and optimize ads almost instantly. Pwede na raw siyang mag-upload ng photos, mag-set ng budget, and it will do the rest. And according sa CEO ng OpenAI na si Sam Altman, AI will soon handle 95% of what marketing agencies and strategists do today. Faster, cheaper, with no human in the loop. But let's be real. Even without AI taking over, marami pa rin mga business owner ang nagsistruggle using Facebook ads. So I doubt if that would really happen. And marami din sa kanila ang gumagastos ng libo-libo sa ads pero wala pa rin sales. They're boosting posts without the right strategy. But even if they get clicks from their ads, wala pa rin buyers. Now, here's the more scary part. When AI takes over and you still don't know how to run ads strategically, you'll just lose money faster because AI will burn through your budget quicker than any freelancer. And the truth, maraming business owners na hindi talaga alam kung ano ang tamang sistema ng Facebook ads. Boost lang ng boost, copy lang ng copy sa ibang ads, o bahala na ang audience settings. Kaya naman ang ending, they feel frustrated. But what if I told you that there is a solution for it? While Meta's AI might be able to build ads in seconds by 2026, there are 3 things AI cannot replace. Number 1 is human strategy. While Meta AI can fully automate an ad creation just by using product image and a budget, AI will work based on the algorithm and data patterns. But it can't still replace a human strategist na nakakaintindi ng brand positioning, nakakakita ng vision. Only a human strategist can decide the right move for the growth sa business mo. Another one is cultural understanding. AI's ad recommendations are driven by global datasets. Pero wala pa rin silang emotional at cultural intelligence na something very critical for local markets. And of course, real-world testing. Kahit kaya ng AI gumawa ng maraming versions ng ads agad-agad, tao pa rin ang nakakakita kung alin talaga ang gumagana sa customers mo. And this is exactly what you will learn sa Ads Level Up training. Let me introduce to you